Traveling in 2021 is full of new possibilities and challenges. To help you find your lost soul across the world, we have brought to you the top 7 incredible travel destinations of 2021. Number 7. Thailand. Think of backpacking and you think of Thailand. It is probably the most visited Asian holiday destination. Apart from the overcrowded places like Bangkok and Pattaya, you will be amazed to see how much there is to explore in this island country. Different faraway islands, Koh Samui, Krabi, and Phuket have surprising ventures in store for you. Right from ancient temples to modern adventures, and from pristine beaches to rich culture, Thailand is the perfect getaway for you. For all animal lovers, Thailand can be the best offering. Go on the Samui Tiger Reserves, where you can pet and feed baby tigers, find the unexplored hot springs, and relax in the beauty of Thailand. Number 6. Indonesia. Indonesia is much more than just Bali and beaches. Go through it all and find the unexplored gems of Indonesia. Meet the orangutans in the national parks and celebrate the wondrous flora-fauna. The enchanting waterfalls and water temples in Indonesia are a sight to behold. The country is filled with extensive landscapes, booming wildlife, and thrilling adventures. You can go quad biking, whitewater rafting, trekking, snorkeling, and so much more. Not to mention the perks of Indonesian currency. All these attractions and luxurious accommodations are packed in an affordable package waiting for you. Number 5. Sri Lanka. The island was voted to be the #1 island to travel in 2019. What more reason do you need? Filled with expanding greenery and herds of elephants playing here and there, Sri Lanka is a paradise that you absolutely need to plan a visit to. Don't forget to take a safari ride into the greens and the unique whale-watching cruise tours. Apart from nature and ecotourism, it also has a rich nightlife. So go on and enjoy a fortune in the famous casinos at Colombo. The best part of Sri Lanka is the adventure it offers. From bungee jumping to scuba diving, you'll find it all, and that too in its best form. Number 4. Croatia. No one can say not today to the European hotspot, Croatia. Croatia, of all places, boasts of a unique type of tourism. Guess what? Game of Thrones tourism. Go to the alleys of Dubrovnik and make your best Game of Thrones impression. Visit the serene Plivice waterfalls and go on a voyage to the top UNESCO World Heritage Site of Miljet National Park. Go exploring the unknown gems of Varasdeen or the musical symphony of Zadar, boasting some of the best train rides and a unique blend of cuisines. Croatia can be the calm you seek in these difficult times. Number 3. Costa Rica. Being a paradise of adventures and wildlife, Costa Rica will amaze you with its vibrant travel offers. The country is basically all your dream adventure packed together for you. Take on whitewater rafting in the adventure capital, La Fortuna. Visit the metropolitan San Jose and shop your heart out. Beaches are of course an add-on to this heavenly country. Travel to the South Caribbean to meet the purest beaches ever. Visit the bustling Jaco or the sleepy, silent Playa Samara Beach as per your choice. Don't forget to enjoy the local cuisine and the national drink, Guero. Number 2. Colombia. Colombia is hands down one of the most Insta-worthy countries of all. It will give you the most memorable and unforgettable travel experience in 2021. With its increasing travel safety, Colombia is luring more and more travelers by the coming days. Watch the natural wonders of mud volcanoes and the pink seas. Don't forget to visit riverbanks, botanical gardens, zoos, and the exotic picture-perfect waterfalls. Colombia is sure to attract you with its lush green jungles filled with natural surprises, fascinating street arts, and the amalgamation of culture and history. This is one country that is a must-be on your bucket list. Number 1. Greece. Let it ring. Greece is the best travel destination for 2021. A dream destination for all kinds of people and the perfect blend of different types of tourism. The hidden gems of Greece are all over the country. Take a day off and connect with ancient Athens, visit the UNESCO World Heritage Sites, and get to know Greece better. With innovative accommodations and lifting travel bans, Greece is happy to welcome new tourists aboard. Don't forget to indulge in water sports like kayaking and snorkeling to touch the underworld. Interact with nature or just sit back on the beach and relax. Greece is everything you could ever dream of. These top 7 destinations of 2021 are sure to level up your wanderlust. Remember to take all necessary precautions and travel safely. If you found this video useful, then don't forget to like, comment, and share it. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive more travel-licious updates from us.